Okay, in this demonstration I'm going to show you how to import your first list into MooseSend, to set up the custom fields and also to segment it as well. So let's start off. You go over to mailing lists on the left hand side here. You go to create new list, give the list a name and save. Okay, so at this point you are then taken into the list settings and where you can start adding members. You can add members individually, one by one. You can import members using CSV file or Excel spreadsheet. You can paste the text in from clipboard. You can use Google Contacts plugin, and you can also use the Salesforce plugin as well. Before you import the list, it's always a good idea to set up your custom fields first. So already placed in there is an email and name. So it's always good to have your spreadsheet open so you can actually see any of the custom data and custom fields that you need to place across. And you can do this manually by adding a new custom field. So we go first name, that's text. Okay, add a new one, last name. This is text, save. New custom field, company. Save custom field. Job title. Save custom field. What other ones we got? So first name, last name, email, company, title, date registered. Okay. And this is a date, so you can put it down as a date format. Other formats available is also a numeric value. You can select a single select drop downs as well, or a checkbox which basically acts as a true or false. Check to say it's true or unchecked to say it's false. So in this case we're putting in a date, save custom field. The other one was date last signed in, so last sign in date. Last sign in date. That's a date value, save. And the last one I believe was account type. A new field, account type. So text value and save. So now all those custom fields are already added into the platform. You can then go back to import members. For this I'm going to use a CSV spreadsheet. So hit select, browse your computer, MooseSend test list, there we go. This spreadsheet, as we can see, has no delimiters or any commas or anything to be able to basically separate the data. It's in separate fields, so you don't need to add anything there. One thing, always make sure you tick that if you have consent to send emails to these addresses, and then hit next. Okay, it's just a general overview and a chance for you to start mapping your data. So you can map that for first name, surname or last name. Email is already mapped. Company, job title, date registered, date last signed in, and finally account type. So account type. And then we just go to next. Then you can choose to have a notification of when the import's complete, or a list that size. It should only take a couple of seconds. You can choose to have the email you signed up with, or a separate email if you wanted notifications in there. But for this example, we're going to use my email address that I signed up with. Then click import. That should just take a few seconds. View list. There we go, so notification has popped up over here. So it's been imported. And now we can go to view list. Okay, let's come back out, go back in. There we go. There's the list. Yeah, sometimes you might have to refresh your browser in order to bring that list up. There we go. So, I mean, this is a generic overview of the list, so you can go into the data and view the details. You can even edit the details if anything changes. But yeah, so it's a general overview, gives you a number of active emails you got. So basically, this is now a subscriber list ready to be used in campaigns. Next thing to show you would be segmentations. So you go down to the bottom here where it says segmentations, and you can create a new segment from here. So we saw the different account types they had. So what I want to look at is specific accounts. For example, let's go for free accounts only because these are the ones you probably want to be converting into paid accounts. And then here you can add a criteria, go to account type. Okay, so I usually use contains rather than equals or is, just in case there's any case sensitivity. So free accounts, and then you can save the segment, and there it is. Pop there and go back and edit it anytime. Also to bring out different rules, so is not, contains, does not, starts with, does not start with, ends with, does not end with, is empty, is not empty. Keep that the same. We can add more criteria, so free accounts only, December registration. Okay, so I can go add more criteria, and then I can pick registration date. Registration is so you can have is not, is before, is after, in the past end days, and not in the past end days. So for this particular segment, it could be let's say in the last 10 days. So rather than have a December registration last 30 days or 31 days. Last 31 days registration. So in the past 31 days, and then you can save that segment as well. And it always tells you the segment name and plus what is on there as well. So it's fetching all accounts type which equals free, or contains free, and date registration within the past 31 days. So that's it. That's a segment created and your list uploaded. Thank you very much.